Hello and welcome to a video about clay masks and skincare. I've also done a follow-up video with more in-depth detail into how to maintain good skin health and just have optimum skin. But today I'm showing you, as you can see, a self-made skin mask. This is skin mask, clay mask. Call it skin mask, I guess. But this one I made using clay, and this clay I sourced myself. This is like a year's worth of clay here. Yeah, from a rich sulfur bath, natural spring, where there's sulfur water. It's been there for thousands of years. And there's clay on the bed, and you can just scoop out a bit, let it dry and take it home. Yes, and then this is places, you have to get this from places where there's permission. There was permission to take it from this place. I also used chlorella and cucumber. Now you squeeze the juice out of the cucumber, mix that in with the clay and the chlorella. Maybe you might need to add a little bit of filtered water as well. Mix that up together, put it on your face. Like I said, you can do slight face massage. Check out my sinus relief and jaw relief videos, and this will show you places and techniques that you can push on your own face for optimum flow. So while you apply it, you're getting a sort of double bonus. But you put this on for about 10 minutes, 20 minutes, then wash it off. And in a couple of days you get the maximum effect because the skin goes through a healing process, a regeneration process, and it's clean and optimized. And the clay helps pull out toxins. You can also eat the clay to pull out toxins from your gut. And your gut is like another skin lining, so it works very similar. As well as the chlorella, I eat the chlorella, I mix that in with a drink. It's rich in minerals, rich in lots of properties. And you can eat cucumber, of course. Who doesn't know you can eat cucumber? So this you apply. I'll show you now the steps on how you can make it. So if you're looking to do this yourself, you can. You can also order products that are very similar. But a clay mask, you don't have to do this too often. This can be done once a year. This will be the second time this year I've done it. And I'll probably do it 3 times in a year, probably not more than that. And there's other things you can do for your face to maintain it. But this is one way. So, and this is for male or female. We've all got skin. We all have to take care of ourselves. We have to love ourselves so you can live a better quality life. And you don't want to be getting things like skin cancer and diseases. And disclaimer, it's not medical advice. I'm not saying this will cure you of skin cancer. But the more optimum your health, the more optimum your skin, the better chances you will have of not getting it. I hope you enjoy this little video. Much love. Have a great day. Alright, so we'll start with the clay. Now you don't need a lot. About a tablespoon. I made 2 masks here, so my loved one could have a mask too. So then we mix in the chlorella. Now you can buy these products in your health food store or online. Try and go organic when you can. Yeah, mix them together and then squeeze in some cucumber juice. Now there's so many properties with cucumber and why it's so good for the skin, from getting rid of puffy eyes, dark circles under the eyes, and just all the antioxidants and minerals it's rich in. Mix all that together. Yeah, you might need to add a little bit of filtered water, and you want it to be like a runny toothpaste. Like, it doesn't need to be too thick. And then you just apply it to your face in a nice even manner. And remember, if you check out my sinus videos, get to know where your sinuses are, get to understand the lymphatic system, and everything you do, from washing your face, having a shower, or applying a mask, you know which direction to go. So as you see, from the nose outwards, and you want to cover the majority of your face. Now this is fine for sensitive skin. Like I said, if you do have sensitive skin, you want to leave it on for a shorter amount of time, maybe only 5 minutes. And check my other video on skin health, to how you can reduce your sensitive skin. So we apply this, and like I said, from the nose outwards, stroking from the forehead outwards and downwards to the neck. The gentlest touch encourages a flow of the lymphatic system, helps drain that fluid from the face and create more flow. And this is great for any part of your skin. And that is a self-made face mask for some skin care, some self-love, and a little face massage as well. And a good look if you're out in the wild. I've nearly blended in with the trees. Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. Hope you can take care of your skin too. Have a great day. If you'd like to know more about your skin and how to get it optimized, check my skin health video. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this. Subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And drop a comment, let me know where you are, who you are, and what else you'd like to see. Alright, much love, have a great day, whoever you are, wherever you are.